Did you recently reset your Linksys LN1600 router? In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step procedure on how to set it up again, along with any connected child nodes. Let's get started. First, gather all your equipment in the same room as the modem or internet source. Just take note that you can relocate your child nodes after the setup process is complete. Next, identify the Wi-Fi network you are currently utilizing. If you have a non-Wi-Fi modem and a separate Wi-Fi router, remove the existing Wi-Fi router. Just power cycle your modem and wait until your modem has rebooted before you go to the next step. You can also proceed to the next step if you either have a non-Wi-Fi modem or a Wi-Fi router and modem in one device. Connect the parent router with an Ethernet cable from the internet port to your modem and power it on. Wait until the LED power light to become solid or steady. Place all child nodes near the parent router, no more than 10 feet away, the closer the better, and power them on. Do not plug any Ethernet devices into the child node's port during setup. Now wait until all your nodes have a solid blue light, which indicates they are ready for setup. If the nodes do not have a solid blue light, reset them by holding down the reset button for about 15 seconds, then waiting until the light becomes solid blue. Once all the nodes have a solid blue light, press the pair button for at least 1 second on the bottom of the parent router. The light on the router and child nodes will begin blinking. Wait until the light on all the nodes is solid white. Next, connect a mobile device or computer to the Wi-Fi name of the parent router. You can also scan the QR code to connect with your mobile device or use the default Wi-Fi credentials for manual entry. Next step, launch a web browser. Second, enter your router's IP address, which is by default 192.168.1.1, and then press the enter button. If the IP address does not work, check your router's IP address. If you see any warning messages in your browser, please follow the steps provided in the link found in the description to bypass them. Now the welcome screen will be displayed. Enter the default router password, which is the same as the default Wi-Fi password of the parent router connected to your modem. Next, customize your Wi-Fi name and password and click the Next button. Now, enable the guest network as needed. Give your guest network a different Wi-Fi name to share with your guests. Just remember that you can change this at any time after setup. You will also have the option to enable the night mode feature at this point. Similar with the guest network, you can change this at any time after setup. Click Next. And your Wi-Fi is now ready. Scan the QR code to connect your mobile device to the new Wi-Fi name. You can also print or download the QR code to connect other devices, then click Done. The only thing left to do is to relocate your child nodes to your desired location, and you're all set. Enjoy your Linksys LN1600 network.